In this video, we are going to see how we can integrate Firebase in our React Native application in iOS. So as you can see, I have already created a React Native application with, and the name is Awesome App. So let me run this application, and I have already opened this application in VS Code. So here you can see it is giving the shortcut for running your application I for iOS. So I have just press the I. So it will open our application in iOS simulator. So it is building. So building is successfully. Now you can see our application is running in iOS simulator. So to set up the Firebase in a React Native application, first of all you need to go to the Firebase website, and if you have already logged in with the Gmail account, you just only need to go to the console, and here you need to create a new project. I am going to give the name of the project Firebase auth iOS, accepting term and condition. Okay, continue. Create. It will take few minutes to create your project. Till now we can see we are going to follow this documentation rnfirebase.io. I will put the link in the description. So here you can get all the information related to Firebase and React Native, how you can integrate analytics, distribution, authentication, cloud storage, cloud messaging, crash analytics, deep linking, in-app messaging, ML config, all these things. So let's go back to the Firebase console. Our app has been created. So we are going to integrate in the iOS. In previous video, we have already integrated in Android. If you have not watched till now, go and watch. So just click on the iOS. It will ask for your bundle ID, app bundle ID, where you can get the app bundle ID. So you need to open your application, React Native, your application in the Xcode. So let me just open in Xcode. Here you can go in the sign in and capability, and this is your bundle identifier. This is your bundle ID. You can simply copy and paste. It is asking for your app nickname. It is awesome. It is optional. Giving the auth I use, register this app. Oh, it will take few minutes. And the second step is download the Google Services info.playlist. I have download it. Next it is asking for the add Firebase SDK in our project. Just copy and go to the your Xcode, click right. Here you can see add package or dependency. You can just search it, and here you can see Firebase iOS SDK. Just click on add package. It will add your package in your application. And also we need to add one file. So we are going to add our Google Services info.playlist file in our project. So you will just right click, add file to project. desktop. This is our file, Google Services info.playlist. Just hit enter, hit add. So it will add your file in your project. Okay. So we have followed the till step 3. We have added the Firebase SDK. We have added the file, and the third step is this. Next, next. So here we need to add a few code in our two file, appdelegate.mm and podfile. So first one is we need to add import firebase.h in appdelegate.mm. So where you can get this file, inside your app, iOS, your project name, you can see appdelegate.mm. Down the appdelegate.h, you need to add this code, import firebase.h, and this a Firebase app configuration. Okay, okay, I have added. Just hit enter, and okay, we need to add few code also in iOS pod file. You can see, open the iOS pod file, add this line inside your target right before use React Native line, use framework linkage static. Okay, so this is our pod file. Okay, use framework linkage static. You can see in line number 26 I have added, and also right after use framework that we have already added, add the rn firebase static framework. Okay, we are going to add it. Use framework linking and auto building. This is not auto linking and rebuilding. Okay, we need to rebuild our application. cd ios. Okay, I'm stopping. Okay, it is installing the pod. It is already available. Installing yoga, and according to this documentation we need to rebuild. Okay, we have run this command to pod repo update, and we will run this command after updating and installing the pod. Npx react native run ios. Okay, you can see this is the complete. We need to go to the home directly, you can see, and we are running this. Okay, iOS. It is again building our application. Okay, so we are getting error. Command line invocation workspace configure debug schema A, use default from command line IDE package support resolve package graph download archive binary. Okay, so if you are facing this issue, we need to add two more lines inside the pod file. Okay, and paste this. So this is the code. Pod GoogleUtilities, colon modular header true, and pod Firebase CoreInternal modular header true. Let me just rebuild our application again. Let me just save. Okay, npx react native run iOS. Hi, it is again building our application. The same issue, just you need to go to the product, clean build folder. After that you need to install the pod. Let me tell you, after debugging cdios, you will install the pod, and after installing the pod you will rebuild the application with this command. So let me remove this. It is already running. Let me remove this and run again. You will see this time you will not get any errors. And also okay, so now you can see our project is running successfully and there is no error. You can see there is no error. Our application inside the header, we'll just go to the right, check with net. You will see it is coming.